Hey beauties, it's your girl Bella Sima. If you've ever felt personally attacked by your skin, trust me, you are not alone. Today we are talking about some common mistakes that might be making your breakouts worse without you even realizing it. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Touching your face 24/7. Touching your face might have become a habit. Sometimes you don't even realize you are doing it. Well, this is not a good practice because our hands touch everything, be it phone, door handles, money, and you can name the rest. Then boom, all the bacteria picked from all these items lands on our skin. So try to be mindful and keep those hands away from your face. If you always find yourself being caught up in this activity, then let me give you a quick fix. Instead of using your bare hands on your face, try using a clean tissue if you need to scratch or touch your face. Mistake number 2 is overwashing your face. Washing your face is great, but overwashing it, that's a recipe for disaster. That's because stripping your skin too much actually triggers more oil production, making breakouts worse. So the better alternative is stick to washing your face twice a day. With a gentle cleanser, your skin will thank you. Let's move on to mistake number 3, picking at pimples. I know it's tempting, but please, let's not turn one pimple into a whole breakout squad. Popping pimples can push bacteria deep into the skin and cause scars, and we don't want that because we are trying to glow, not struggle. So if you are one of those who are prone to picking pimples, I have a quick fix for you. Apply a pimple patch or tea tree oil and let it heal naturally. So let's move on to mistake number 4. Using too many products at once. More skincare doesn't mean better skincare. Mixing too many active ingredients can irritate your skin and cause even more breakouts. And we don't want that. Instead, let's follow this skincare rule, which says keep it simple. That is, you cleanse, you moisturize, and you protect us using your sunscreen every morning and a targeted treatment at night. Less is more. Mistake number 5 is something we often overlook, which is not changing your pillowcase. The truth is, your pillowcase might be sabotaging you. You may ask why. The reason being that our pillowcase collects oil, sweat, and bacteria while you sleep. So if you are not washing it often, it's basically a petri dish for breakouts. You will definitely break out because every day you keep sleeping on this bacteria and it penetrates your skin. It's basically leading to breakouts. But I have a quick fix for you. Change your pillowcase at least twice a week for clearer skin. Trust me, a few small changes can make a huge difference in your skin. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends for more skincare tips. Let me know in the comments the one skincare mistake you're guilty of. No judgments, we are all learning together.